Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to online English classes. We are studying New Oxford Modern English Book 6. Dear students, we have started unit number 4, The Great Train Journey. Its theme is adventure and imagination. Today we will do part B, working with words, and C, learning about language. So first one, part B, is this: fill in the blanks with suitable words from the list below. The words are given: astonished, stationary, shortened, anticipation, increased, awkward. Number 1 is this: soon there were other tracks, a railway siding and a stationary goods train. What will come here? Stationary. Sajid felt a thrill of anticipation. What will come in number B? Anticipation. Number C, the number of railway lines increased, crossed, spread out in different directions. Number D, he was so astonished. Number D, astonished, that he almost fell out of the compartment. Number E, he did not want the ticket driver asking him awkward question. What will come in number E? Awkward. Number F, shrugging his shoulders, Sajid sauntered down the road to the bazaar. So I am repeating the blanks. Number A, stationary. Number B, anticipation. Number C, increased. Number D, astonished. Number E, awkward. And number F, sauntered. Now come on next part, learning about language. What we will do in learning about language? Collective noun. Here is definition of collective noun. You know that collective nouns are the names of groups of persons and things of the same kind. Can you write the collective nouns for groups of the following? Use the list below. So list is given here and you are going to fill it. Number A, ship, herd. Number B, ships, fleet. Number C, sailors, crew. Number D, bees, swarm. Number E, wolves, pack. Number F, stars, galaxy. Number G, barbarians, horde. Number H, kettle, herd. Number I, criminals, gang. Number J, people listening in the theatre, audience. Number K, directors, board. Number I, musicians, orchestra. The next one is M, flowers, bunch. 11 footballers, team. And mountains, range. So these are the collective noun. Students, this is our today's lecture. We have done part B and C from the book chapter number 4. Goodbye. Have a nice day.